Greenland falls apart, disappears. Iceland almost falls apart. It gets very, very close to disappearing, to total collapse, but it doesn't. And in the end, it actually becomes one of the places in the world with the highest standard of living.
George Hombrecht is an assistant professor of anthropology at the University of Maryland and a member of the Global Human Ecodynamics Alliance, or GHEA.
GHEA's purpose is to be a large, sort of wide net network of scholars and activists who are concerned really with human responses to interesting climactic and social hazards, interesting times as some of us have been calling them. Right now, GHEA probably has a majority of people who are interested in these human responses through time, so a lot of archaeologists, a lot of paleoclimatologists.
GHEA members traveled here to Girdwood, Alaska in February 2013 for a workshop with scientists from Alaska NSF-EPSCoR, an organization that is studying the adaptive capacity of Alaskan communities, that is, their ability to survive and prosper in the face of change. A key purpose of the workshop was to bring together researchers to compare notes on their studies.
The most important thing was for us to get together here in person, to have 2 days to exchange experiences from both sides. You know, we have presentations from GHEA, we have presentations from Alaska ACE, from the EPSCoR project, and I think that was very useful in both ways.
The event served another purpose as well, to see whether GHEA's historical approach could inform Alaska EPSCoR, which currently incorporates data dating back at most half a century.
I think that Alaska EPSCoR, as a result of this workshop, will think harder than before whether there's a way of incorporating a little more time depth. So far we have been operating with a 50-year time depth before present. We understand now that a couple hundred years would be much better.
The workshop consisted of presentations by GHEA members who primarily study civilizations in the North Atlantic and the American Southwest, and by EPSCoR researchers who are studying changes near Juneau, on the Kenai Peninsula, and on the North Slope. At the end of the event, researchers elected to write a summary report about the workshop, which could be the first of multiple collaborations between the two groups.
For GHEA's purposes, it's definitely to exchange ideas and possibly, hopefully in the future, maybe develop collaborations with EPSCoR, who really are dealing with many of the same issues that we're dealing with in the present day, and we're doing it in the historical record. And we feel that the historical record deeply informs the way you perceive the present day, and of course the present day has to be included in our studies because you want to see how the past links to the present.